Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners Online. Bob Iacchino. I haven't checked in on Virgin Galactic, SPCE, for a while. Thought I would, especially with the price action today, closing below the rotation zone on the daily chart. So gone from anything bullish to neutral on the daily. 4 hour, let's just see, let's go. I forgot we're having really slow data for some reason. 4 hours now bearish. Let me go back to that daily. So daily chart, sorry about the slow data right now. My connection, I just checked, was fine, but I don't know what's going on. So higher high in price action, lower high in the RSI, forming a divergence, confirmed divergence, couldn't get up, coming down to rotation zone, rotating up, and then failing. So failed rotation back up at that prior 25% retracement level. Big gap down. The levels I have on here, back to the 4 hour chart. The levels I have on here are from the high to this pausing bar low, which gave us 2121, which we closed just below it, and next level down is 2050, just in front of a significant level. So next level of support is 2050. On any rally, remember we have a gap. So if we start rallying, especially above today's high, 2217, and if we close above there, at least on an hourly, I'll start watching potentially for the gap fill. There's not a lot of separation in the rotation zone though. Above there though, I'll start watching about 2250 as a first level resistance, then right about 23, and then for the full gap fill, which would take us to 2344. On a continued move lower below that 2050 area, let's just see what else we have based off the daily. So 2050, and then we'd be watching for about 1965, and then 1921 are the next lower levels. That's what we have for you on Virgin Galactic, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.